All right, on this truck we have a 2004 Cummins 5.9 and a Dodge. And what we did was we pulled the motor. It was burning a lot of oil, and we pulled the motor, took it apart, took the motor to the machine shop, and had them completely rebuild it, and sent the turbo to the turbo rebuilders, River City Turbo down in Little Rock, Arkansas. They rebuilt that, tested the injectors. They were all good. They were all brand new. But in this video, I'm going to tell you how much it costs and what we did to diagnose it, and the breakdown on all the parts we did, and the torque specs. So here we go. Starting with the torque specs. Got those right here. We put ARP head studs in it. When you're ordering them online, make sure you're getting the ARP ones. And then on how much it costs, we got the actual invoice right here. With tax, which is 7.75% in my area, $15,098. It's got the turbo rebuild on there, head studs. We did put a condenser in it, and we bought that cold air intake off of Amazon. And nothing crazy. The labor, we kind of gave him a deal that was probably cheap, but that's how much it costs. This motor runs great. We're gonna get a lot of miles on it. And yeah, thanks for watching, y'all.